So hi guys, I'm back again. I'm here in front of the Kylie truck and I just want to show it to you guys and tell you about my experience here at the Kylie truck. And it's amazing. It's so pink and silver. I really like the truck, and they have exclusive products like their eye concealers, and they have their Christmas collection at the in the truck that you could test and try out the products. If not, you have to wait until I think December 13th. But it's right here. I did have a chance to try it out and try the swatches on my wrist hand, but it's pretty cool. Oh, there it is. Waiting in line.
But we do have concealers. They haven't launched, so we do have them available here for you to buy. If not, you would have to wait until they launch.
Which
line on the 13th.
On the 13th.
Yeah, and then also we do have some brushes from the new collection available here.
Oh,
if you would like to purchase them. So this is her velvet mini lip set. So this one's $36.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then we have the Spice, which is part of the holiday collection, the new ones that came out. So this one runs for $60.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that one comes with 2 glosses, 1 metal, and then 2 matte lipsticks.
Okay.
This one's Himalaya. So this one's Hickory.